Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made these two super cute Varsity letter personalised travel cases. I made them both for under like £1 each, if not even cheaper, and it's something that is such an easy and fun craft to do, ready for your summer holidays. So without further ado, let's go on with the video. We're just going to jump straight in. Also, if I just seem like a bit spacey in this video, I basically had acupuncture this morning. I get it to treat my migraines, and she put some like electrical stimulation bits on it. Sorry, that's Woody. And I basically just like went really shaky, nearly passed out. I had all my breakfast and everything before, but I think my blood sugar just went really low, so I've just put on a nice cozy jumper. It was really sunny as well this morning, and now it's gone like really grey and rainy, so we're just going to be cozy. We're going to do some crafts, we're going to get us ready for our holidays, and it's going to be a good time. So straight into it, the first things that you're going to want are some travel bags. So I got this one as a freebie with some benefit products. I also have like this one here, so I got this from the M&S advent calendar, and then also I do have these travel cubes. I got these ones from Amazon, and I also picked up some black ones from Primark last year, which are really good. They're just like little breathable cubes, and they come in a range of different sizes. They've got straps in them as well, little handles on them, and it's just a really efficient way of separating your clothes fully. So I'll put like evening wear in one, swimwear, shorts, daytime tops. So I will link down below where I got these from, but any type of travel bag that you're wanting to take with you. You're also going to want some card. So this is just some scrap card that I had from the past, and then I've just stenciled on, like I hand wrote on with some pencil, the letters that I'm going to want to cut out and put the felt on to make my Varsity letters, to personalise the travel cases. Now, if you don't want to hand draw them, you can just print out some templates from Google. If you just type in Varsity letter templates for travel bags, you'll get a load of stuff, and then you can print those out. And then you just want to get some sheets of felt, because you're going to put the templates on the felt to cut them out to make your nice letters. And also a glue gun. So I picked these. It's a 40 pack of 6x6 squares of felt from the Works, and these were £3, which I didn't think was a bad price at all. And you get a range of different colours. I've hand drawn these stencils onto my card, so I'm just going to get some scissors and I'm going to start cutting these out. So I've done a BM and I've done sun, just to show you on this video, because I'm going to put sun on this one, and then that can have like my sun cream in, my bikinis, like sunglasses, anything in there. And then on this one, I'm just going to personalise it with my initials, or maybe just the first initial. And this can be anything that I want to put in this then. I'll just let Woody out. Okay, so you've probably seen like the designs everywhere. They are really popular at the moment. You can get loads of like personalised designs from Primark and Etsy, but as soon as they put these Varsity letter personalisations on, they up the price so much. And you can actually buy the letters yourself from like Etsy, so you don't have to make all the felt letters at home. But again, they're just really expensive, and it's just a really simple and easy craft that you can do yourself for literally no cost at all. I mean, this whole craft will have cost me like £3, because both of these items I already had. I got this one for free anyway. I can make multiple personalisations from them. I challenge you to find a personalised letter bag for less than £3. If you can find one, let me know and put it in the comments down below, because I'd love to see it. So I'm just cutting these out. Now, if I wanted to make it really sharp, I could have used a ruler to make sure these lines were really nice and concise. But I've literally just gone in with a pencil and really quickly drawn the letters. I'll time-lapse me cutting out the rest of the letters, because you don't want to see that, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. Obviously this will be a lot easier if you just printed out some templates from Google, but I just chose to draw them just because my printer isn't working at the moment. So the next thing you're going to want to do is pick 2 colours of felt, because normally when you see these Varsity letters, they have like a base layer and then one on top to give it a bit of a 3D effect. And what you're going to have to do is obviously do 2 sizes. So if you are printing it out, I would do one size and then make one just a nat smaller so it can sit in between. But I'm just going to do it where I'm going to draw it out and then basically draw a bigger one around it. Just going to straighten this line. Okay, so I think on this one, what would be really nice is if I had some gold felt, but I don't. So I think on this one, I'm going to do like a white and a pink. I think that would look nice on the gold. I'm going to get those out. And then on this black one, I think I might do a blue and white maybe. So once you've chosen the felt that you want a nice good sharp pair of scissors to obviously cut through it and get the neat lines that you want in. But if I start by doing the B and M first, so I'm going to want my base layer to be the white. So I'm going to get it as close to the edge as I can. And this is going to have to be slightly bigger than the actual B itself. Perfect. Now I'm not going to cut out the middle bits of this because I want the blue to really pop on top of it. The B and the M is going to be quite a tight fit, so on this one I'm just going to do a B. And then, same again, I'm just going to cut round the outline. Now as you can see, this is just a really quick and easy craft to do, and it really does save a lot of money. You can literally buy whatever felt you want. You can get the nice gold ones. If you don't want to do this but you still want to do it cheaper than buying it, you can, like I said, just get the letters off of Etsy. Or you might be able to buy a multi-pack from Amazon for really cheap and make your own. Right, so I've got my other cutout done there. Also, does anyone else ever feel like their concentration face just looks aggressive? Because I feel like the whole time I was doing that I was like... But anyway, so you can see that when that goes on there, you get a nice 3D effect. You can see the white underneath and it just looks super cute. And then you can personalise your bag. So I am just going to cut out a bit of these a bit more. This is where you can really like fine tune your design as well. Obviously don't hack off loads of felt, but it just gives you a chance to really just trim the edges, make sure it's the right size that you want in. Awesome, so I've got my Varsity letter there. So what I'll do is I will cut out my sun letters now as well to go on this bag. Okay, so I don't know whether you can tell, I've just had to change my camera because my other one ran out of storage and I don't have a spare like card for it. So I have finished cutting out all my letters. So the next thing you want to do is heat up your glue gun, and then we're literally just going to stick them on, and it's as easy as that. So what I'm going to do first is stick my top layer onto my base layer. I just have to come over here because my glue gun is corded, so I can't really get right in front of the camera with it. I'm just going to go all around the outside. Obviously make sure you glue gun the correct side, you don't want to do the front by accident. And you just want to do the same on the back. I might need to go get another glue gun stick. Try and get as close to the sides as you can, because you don't want them peeling up. And then, don't worry about these flyaways either, you can just take those off. Just gonna stick it onto my case, like so. So I'll just get another glue gun stick and then we will stick these on, and that is pretty much the end of the craft, guys. I just got this from The Works. It was, I think the glue gun was £5, so really not expensive at all. Now on this one, I did trim this end a bit short by accident. So I'm actually just going to try gluing that back on. Hopefully it won't look too bad. I'm hoping the pink bit is actually going to go over the top of it so you won't be able to see. I really like these letters. I think I prefer these more than the B that I did. I would say whatever you're sticking it onto, maybe just put something inside the bag so you can like press your letters onto it. I think I've got my, so I bought some glue sticks from, to be fair, I think it was the ones from the Works, and they're really not good at all. Like the glue just sets like almost like plastic. But I did get a multi-pack of glue sticks from, where was it now? I think it was Amazon, and they are a lot better. That gluing took a bit more effort than I was hoping. Basically, invest in good glue sticks, because if you don't, it literally just sets like plastic and it doesn't stick. I wouldn't recommend buying them from the Works. I definitely get the ones I got from Amazon because they stuck it a lot better. So I'll make sure to link those down below. The actual glue gun from the Works is fine, but the glue sticks are probably not the best quality, and obviously when you are doing stuff with the glue gun, you're doing it because you need it to stick and stick firm. So I'll link the better glue sticks in the description down below. But overall, we have finished the craft. So this is what my initial one is looking like. I stuck just like a few little paper flowers on it. These were just some floral embellishments that I got from Hobbycraft that I already had in my crafting kits. So we have the bee on there, and then I absolutely love the colour scheme on this one. So this is going to have all like my sun cream, bikinis, all that kind of stuff in, and then I can take it with me by the pool as well, so it can have like my little goodies in it. It's a really good size, and I just love how bright the blue and the pinks are on this. And as you can see, you've got that nice 3D effect because you've got the two different colours of felt on there. So yeah, overall, obviously guys, it does take more time than just going to like Primark and somewhere and buying it, but it is so much cheaper, and I just think like it's really cute that you can personalise it in the colours that you want as well, because I quite like the nice bright colours, whereas a lot of the ones in store are quite beige, which just isn't a bit of me, especially for summer items. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button also. And if you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below what you're wanting to see, and if you liked this type of video or if you prefer more vlog types of videos. I'm always interested to know what you guys want to see from me. But I'll catch you at the next one, guys. Thanks, bye!